In this video, I'll show you how to remove duplicates from a single column and from multiple columns with headers. First, let's remove duplicates from a single column without headers. Select all the names. You can either drag to highlight them or just click on column A. Now, go to the Data tab and click on Remove Duplicates. Since this data doesn't have headers, leave the My Data Has Headers option unchecked. Select the column and click OK. Done. Excel instantly removes the duplicate names. Part 2. Remove duplicates from multiple columns with headers. Now, let's try with data that has multiple columns and headers. Select the entire data range. Go to the Data tab and click Remove Duplicates again. This time, check the box that says My Data Has Headers. Select all the columns you want Excel to check for duplicates. Click OK, and Excel removes the duplicate rows while keeping only the unique ones. And that's it. Your data is now clean and duplicate-free in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Excel tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.